हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, आज हम आ गए हैं सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी का एक और नया मेजरमेंट मीडियन लेकर के। मीडियन यू हैव स्टडीड इन क्लास 9th that when the data is in the raw form, then the middlemost number is the median after arranging the data. For example, here these numbers are arranged. Total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, odd number. Middlemost number is 7 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 4th place. And 4th place number is 7 is the median. Suppose we have 8 numbers, by the way 16. Then 2 middlemost numbers and the average of 7 and 11, 9 will be the median, which you have already completed in class 9th. 10th class syllabus starts from median, but for the good data only. Suppose class interval from observations given to you and frequency is also given to you. Then the first important thing is we have to calculate cumulative frequency, that is CF. What is CF? Just revise it. First you deposited 9 rupees on the first day in a bank. Then the balance will be 9. Next day deposited 13 rupees. So now balance is 22. Next day deposited 35. So balance is 57. Again deposited next day 20 rupees. Balance 77. Next day deposited 15 rupees. Balance 92. And next day deposited 8 rupees. Balance is 100 rupees. What amount you have deposited? If you sum up, you are getting 100. If these two are same, it means your CF table is absolutely correct. No error in the table of cumulative frequency. Now what is our formula? First we have to calculate half of n, that is in this case it is 50, n by 2. Where n by 2 lies? 50. 50 more than 50 number is in the column of CF is 57. It means this class is said to be a median class. Once again, because this is an important point. What is half of 100? 50. More than 50 CF comes only here first 57. Just after 50 is 57. So 57 lying here in the class of 20 to 30. This is called the median class. Correct? The lower limit of the median class you know very well, same as in the mode. This is called L0. Frequency of the median class is F. H you know, the gap, the class size, here it is 10. And the most important, the turning point is CF is the CF preceding, very important point, preceding to the median class. So here the CF is 22. Now we have all the terms here, simply we have to substitute. So what is the answer? Now we have to calculate. So first we substitute L0. L0 in this case is 20. N by 2, that is 100 by 2. CF means 22. F means 35. And after the bracket you have to put H. H means class size. What is the class size? 10. So the final calculation, 50 minus 22 divided by 35 into 10. Here 20 as it is. 50 minus 22 is 28. 35 and 10. Check it again because calculation work, and whenever it's summed out, use the rough column. 50, 22 and correct. These two will cancel out with 7. 7, 4, 7, 5. And 5 cancel out with 2. 4 into 2, 8. Answer is 20 plus 8, that is 28. And if you check, 28 is lying in the interval 20 to 30. Hence your answer of the median is 100% correct. Important work is the calculation work. Use brackets properly. And calculation work, whenever needed, you have to use the rough column. Now we come to the one more question. When the class interval is not in the continuous form, you know, from class 9th, sometimes they will give you inclusive type data. So we have to convert it into continuous, that is exclusive type data. इसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं. है क्लास 9 का कंसेप्ट. डेटा इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 118 टू 126. बहुत ध्यान से. 127 to 135, 136 to 144 and so on. Difference पता चला? Yes. Here it is 126 but now it is not continuous. It is 127. तो क्लास 9th में क्या करते थे? You have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. याद आ गया? Good. So first we start with the CF. 10, 18, 31, 53, 60, 66 and 70. These two are correct. Every time you have to check. हमेशा इसको check करो. दोनों same है. It means satisfied. Yes, our CF table is absolutely correct. Now, half of 70, that is 35, n by 2. 35 and greater than 35 is 53. It means the median class is confirmed. 145 to 153. अब देखना बच्चे मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं. First we start with the writing here. What is the lower limit? All the students may write 145, but it is absolutely wrong. क्या लिखना था? 144.5. याद आ गया? Plus n by 2 means 70 by 2. CF means previous 31. Divide by F is 22. And H, again a point of mistake. What they write, students may write here 8. Simple. Gap kitna? 8. But actually it is 144.5 to 153.5. Now see the gap. 0.5, 0.50, 13 minus 4, 9. 0.5, 0.50. It is 53 and it is 44. Just count it. 9. और क्या लिख रहे थे आप? 8. Okay, mistake बड़ी भारी. So here you have to write 9. So two turning point of this question. That's why this question is my favorite question. दो जगह बच्चे मिस्टेक कर सकते हैं. कौन कौन सी जगह? एक तो इसका गैप 8 लिख देंगे. लिखना क्या था? 144, 145. So you have to convert it into 144.5 और लिख क्या दिया? 145. क्या मार्क्स मिला? A big 0. Be cautious. 144.5 plus 35 minus only 4, 9, 22. We can solve it very easily. Cancel out. It is 18 by 11. And whenever work related to rough column, use properly. No problem. 11, 1, 18, 7.0, 11, 6, 66, 4.0, 11, 3. 1.63. 1.63. Here it is 50. 3, 6 and 5, 11. 2 and 4. Answer is 146.13. Check it once again. 18 by 11. 1.63. 1.63. Make it 50. Total 3 and 0, 3. 6 and 5, 11. 2 and 4, 6. Correct. Absolutely correct. And your answer of the median is lying between the two limits. Correct. So be cautious. These type of questions, whenever we have, first you have to convert it into continuous interval. एक और क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. When median is given 27, but two of the frequencies are missing, x and y. Very important question. So first we start with the CF table. 5 plus x, 25 plus x, plus x, 39 plus x, 39 plus x plus y, and x plus y as it is, and 39, 47. So 47 plus x plus y, but we know these two must be same. That is, the first equation is 68 equals to 47 plus x plus y, or what we can say, x plus y equals to 68 minus 47. That is 1, 2, x plus y. X plus y total must be 21 is the first equation. Now, the important point, median is given 27. So what is the median class? 27 is median, so median class is 20 to 30. Now substitute the values, you know each and everything. L naught is 20, n by 2, 68 by 2, CF preceding, but use bracket, very important point, divide by F is 20 and H is 10. Use proper brackets. 10 and 20 cancel out, it is 2. 20 goes to this side, remains 7, and here 34 minus 5 minus x divided by 2. Check it again. 68 by 2, 34, minus, open the bracket, minus and minus, 20 goes to this side, it is only 7 and remaining only 2. Cross multiply, 14 equals to 34 minus 5, that is 29 minus x. Our aim is to calculate x. So x equals to 29 minus 14, that is 15. Now tell me, when x is 15, how we calculate y? Linear equation, x plus y is already 21, hence y equals to 6. One short example is also given in your textbook. So do it nicely. This is all about median. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. मैथ्स में क्या चाहिए बच्चों? सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस. इंटरेस्ट तब आएगा जब हम ऐसे खूब सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. यू हैव सो मेनी डिफरेंट बुक्स. कलेक्ट द क्वेश्चंस एंड डू द प्रैक्टिस. तो मिलते हैं अगला चैप्टर उगाई लेकर के. उगाई में आपको रखना है अपने पास ग्राफ टेबल एंड ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. सो बी रेडी विद द ग्राफ बुक्स एंड ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय.